So I'm back for the second time on this bike here. It's gonna install this, I do believe, somehow. Maybe. I don't know yet. And see if it might work on the other two locks that are in there on the bike, actually. Alright, so. Oh boy. And there's Wiley. Wiley barking at me. I'm working on the bike, Wiley barking at me. I'm locked. Am I locked out? Maybe not. Come on. Son of a gun. Look at that big foot on the bayou. Okay. That's the bike. That's a different dog over there. I think there's a big beast over there. I'll just throw this in for right now.
Use the doorbell.
Yeah. You don't. I got a camera going on. You don't want to be in it. These wires here. They were connected. So, yeah, they just have to put that somewhere. Where they go, I don't know. So that works.
How's Steve today?
Awesome. Can't get any better than this, man. Key won't even go in there nicely. Oh, maybe it will. Maybe I'll have to hammer that in. Might have, what do you call it? They might be corroded. They might be corroded. Oh God. Yeah, there's a lot of water leaking out of that one. I don't know. Not sure. I want to take those apart though. This one, what's that, a 10 now? Or is it a 12? Maybe I left my vice grips here. It's going in, it's all the way now. There we go. Yeah, it turns. So That one works. Oh, come on. Okay, that one's starting to work. That's all the way in. And it turns too. Right on. So probably just needs nothing now. One key fits everything. Right on. How does that work? Straight up and down, right? Yeah. One full revolution, or half a revolution. One way and half a revolution the other way. Bonus. Tiny little bike. And it's too bad I didn't show the, what do you call it? The making of the key for the ignition. I didn't do that, so. Oh well. I'll see you in the next one then. Have a good day.